Everybody, Cousin Jim here. It's a big day. I've never got a fish mount made before. The dolphin I caught and the big cubera I caught, I've had it done here at Gray's Taxidermy, right here in Pompano Beach. So my buddy Barry came along. We're going to go inside and see the factory. They said we get about a 10-minute tour. It'll be kind of cool to see it, but there's a big great white shark eating an amberjack. It's a pretty cool place. So Barry, do you think that one's a real fish right there?
I don't know.
Never seen anything like it.
Probably not, because there's no place for the hole for the teeth to go through on the bottom. It's a nice hog.
Yeah. Pretty interesting. So anyways, this is...
My wife was going to come. I said, I'll take a couple pictures for you.
This is
no
cool.
Yeah, show the
Cool
world
place.
what we do. We love when people take pictures.
Now, it sounds like you don't want me to go to work again, then?
No, it's fine. You definitely do it.
So these are all fish that people have caught.
Yes. These fish are waiting to get a backdrop. That's what this area is for.
We're getting a backdrop?
A backdrop.
Oh, a backdrop.
Like the woods or the reefs or the waves. This is the wall wave. It's their best selling backdrop. It's something we invented here. It's made out of like a two-part epoxy slow expansion.
Done a lot of that with my buddy.
And
we used to fly to Mexico and duck hunt. This we used to bring the ducks and stand there for a while.
Drop them in heavy-duty cardboard and ship them around the world.
So,
Careful those tails, they'll get you.
yeah, I'm watching them. This is cool. So this is a ceiling mount because it's on both sides?
No, that peg on the end, this is going to end up going on a wave base like that, standing up.
Oh, standing up.
Yeah.
Like it's jumping.
Yeah.
Cool.
Those are the ceiling mounts. This is where the other painter works, and there's another painter around the corner there. See the big blue pin? It has a ceiling mount. The big blue pin. I gotta get you out of here. They're gonna get extended your gear out. I might have to take a picture.
I caught a mutton about that size this week.
You did? That's a nice one, dude. That's a 28? That looks bigger than 28.
Yeah. So anyways, this place is huge. They're shipping out sailfish. Those are some monster sailfish there. We've got drying racks. All these are freshly painted fish. Rays up above, big swordfish. Pretty cool spot. I'm excited to see my fish. So that's my dolphin. Look at the size of that guy. 20-pound test. Fish of a lifetime. There's the cubera and the dolphin. They weighed just about the same. So
In the yard.
yep. So these are the actual teeth from my fish. They use the jaw. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Beautiful looking mount. So you're picking up a shark today?
Yeah.
Your son caught it?
Yeah.
How big is it?
8 foot.
Look at the size of this nurse shark. That's cool.
200 something pounds.
That's a cool fish. There we go. That guy will get your attention when you're spearfishing.